Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, The Lemonade is Ready. Hello, friends! It's time to serve and sell our fresh lemonade. Cousin Kyrie and I are in the kitchen, ready to cut fresh lemons and make wonderful lemonade. Did you see that we washed our hands? We now have fresh lemonade to sell. We are also selling our fresh lemonade cupcakes and lemonade frozen pops. Can someone say yum, yum? Our friends are here and we are ready to begin selling our delicious lemonade and wonderful lemon-themed treats. Here we are at the park, ready to sell our fresh lemonade. We are also going to sell our lemon cupcakes too. Here we are at our next location. We are selling our frozen lemonade ice pops here. Don't forget your fresh glass of lemonade. Our police officers are very helpful in our neighborhood. We are delivering fresh lemonade and lemon cupcakes to them. We are in our neighborhood selling our delicious lemonade and treats. The neighbors love our food and beverages. Cheers to a day of fresh lemonade, treats, and big profits!